Tanya, do you promise to keep this man in sickness and health?
I do.
What's his name? Tom. Tom, do you promise to keep this woman in sickness and health?
I do. In the name of Jesus Christ, I marry you. You may kiss the bride. You shouldn't say this.
Katie, I don't see it.
Fall down.
Thank you for watching this. I'm Tanya. I'm Tom.
I'm Bob.
I'm Bob. And thank you for watching.
Stay fierce.